Fine.
You've been waiting. Fresh this morning?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Here's the deal. Here's how we're starting. I promise a very productive day, full of interesting and good news to share with you, and exclusive surprises for this session, this event. Is it enough to make it a good day?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. What if we built a platform with those three elements? Productive, where you can collaborate and share and keep it exclusive and secure. Is it enough to make it a special platform? Yeah? Okay. What if we take the best of what you know and love about BlackBerry and incorporate it in this platform and call it BlackBerry? Is it enough to be special? Yeah? And what if we expand all those things and those three elements beyond the traditional mobile industry and mobile communication and call it, build the platform for the future and call it BlackBerry 10? Is it enough to be special? The BlackBerry 10 is a platform that we're building for the future. We are at the start of a new era in the mobile computing, and it's designed to help you use the mobile computing in a more efficient way. It gathers all what you love and know, the best of the BlackBerry, but it expanded to beyond the traditional communication that we used to have. Right? This is the BlackBerry 10. So welcome to the BlackBerry 10 Jam, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk a little bit about the BlackBerry 10 Jam. Okay. We have so far conducted 40 Jam sessions all around the world. And in the Middle East, especially, we have spoken to our developer communities in UAE, in Egypt, in Tunisia, and we're here now today with you in Qatar. We will stop in Kuwait. We'll be stopping in Kuwait this week, end of this week, and then in Riyadh next month. Right? And we will just continue communicating with our developers communities locally to build this excitement and exciting BlackBerry platform to have a local touch and feel. We have been working hand in hand with our carriers and partners to bring the BlackBerry 10 platform to our developers and customers in line with our global launch on 30th of January. Right? Now, let's see what's behind the innovation and the power of BlackBerry 10. If you can play the video.
This is the BlackBerry 10 developer prototype. We call it BlackBerry 10 Dev Alpha.
Feel that I'm part of something big. This is something fresh, it will gain a lot of attention.
I'm very, very excited about BB10.
I'm at the BlackBerry 10 Jam.
In Dubai, Cape Town, in Nigeria,
Berlin,
Poland. I had no idea BlackBerry was doing so much.
We are looking at BlackBerry 10 as a medium to allow us to express ourselves more.
Event is really well organized.
BlackBerry really went and did something cool today. BlackBerry 10 for me is something that changes the game.
Everyone's really caring about developers. I think it's going to make development faster and easier.
We wanted to bring it locally to people and share the BlackBerry 10 story.
And we really love the buzz that has been created, and Twitter is exploding.
It's been pretty amazing to see how we've been connecting with developers worldwide.
They've heard about what BlackBerry 10 can do for them and what Research in Motion can do to help them develop in BlackBerry 10.
BlackBerry 10 is going to drive them crazy. They're going to be so excited when they get their hands on that.
BlackBerry 10, I'm blown away.
Thank you. This is the BlackBerry 10. It's about how you can collaborate, share, be productive, and secure your data. It's a new and fresh platform that we're building from ground up. For a month, we have been talking and discussing with users from all over the world, with our users, with our customers, with our enterprise and government customers, with our partners, with our carriers, with our developers, asking them how can the BlackBerry help them in their life, and how can the BlackBerry serve them better. Right? We've spent thousands of hours and days just asking the users what does work for them, but also what doesn't work for them, what frustrates them, what they like and what they don't like, and how can we build a platform that they can use to make their life easier. And this BlackBerry 10 is built on all those requirements, all those discussions. Right? Let's move quickly. Why are we here today? It's the dollars, right? We all care about money. Ultimately, we're all here for money, right? So, let's start talking about some numbers. Let's look at on the BlackBerry Appworld. Today, our BlackBerry Appworld generates nearly 40% more revenue than the Android market. There are 35% more downloads on BlackBerry Appworld per month than, I'm talking about the paid downloads, paid applications, more than the Android market. But also, it generates 4% more income than the iOS applications. It's proven to be a revenue generator for the developers. This is our Appworld. If we just try to look at the BlackBerry Appworld today, we have 80 million BlackBerry subscribers in 170 markets, right? More than 3 billion downloads. Those are just stats to let you know the opportunity here that we're talking about. We're talking about a real opportunity. We have unique downloads that have grown 54% more than 2011. And we have over 100,000 applications available on Apple today. If we talk more about the Middle East specifically, right? How's the BlackBerry? We are in the top 10 selling smartphones in nearly every country in the Middle East. And if you remember, we have launched Apple in the Middle East back in April 2011. We started with 5,000 applications, if you can recall. We are now at over 60,000 applications on Middle East BlackBerry Apple. We are permanently discussing and talking and supporting our developers community. We have 150 partners in the region, developing with them. On Appworld, we have added 2,000 Arabic applications specifically for the regions, right? And let's not forget BBM. People here in this region, they love BBM. They love to share. They love to share their life on BBM. Every step they take in their life, they share it on BBM. And that's why we built what we call BBM Connected. There's a real opportunity here for the BBM Connected apps, where the BBM Connected apps represent 25% of the downloaded applications on Apple, where you just download the app and share whatever you're doing, the application that you're using, that you have downloaded, or the tweets that you're doing, the info that you're sharing or communicating on BBM. People here love their BBM. We have on average 98% of our current BlackBerry users in the Middle East using BBM. This is one of the highest in the world. So there is an opportunity on Apple, there's an opportunity on the BBM connected apps, and more specifically on the BB10 that is coming today. Now, let's take another step and talk about Qatar. We've been growing in this market. This is a strategic market for us, for them. We have been growing year on year and quarter on quarter. We have very strong relationships with both carriers. We have very attractive and competitive tariffs from both carriers on the BlackBerry. But we also have strategic partnerships with some local authorities and local organizations like ICT. And we are developing the value-added features for BlackBerry with our carriers. So soon you will be hearing some news on features that we're developing, first probably in Qatar, on BlackBerry Apple with both carriers. I'll leave it for a later stage to announce it, but we are in this process with both carriers. Right? Does it sound exciting or normal? Are you expecting this? Now, what's the reason for being here? What's the reason why you need to develop for BlackBerry? We need your app. We need you here. We need your application. And why you need to develop for application for BlackBerry? We are challenging. We are challenging everyone. And we are telling you, build your application, get it approved for BB10, right? And earn at least $1,000 over the first 12 months. RIM will pay the difference to $10,000. So we will pay $9,000 if you make $1,000 at the end of the first year. This is the first surprise that I was talking about. The 10K developer commitment that you can find on the blog for BlackBerry apps. I'll let my colleagues share with you the details. But this is a commitment, and this is the first surprise where we are committed to pay the difference. All you need to do is build an application for BB10, get it approved. There's a process that we'll follow later today, but just get it approved through the BlackBerry program, submit it by the deadline, and then generate at least $1,000 by the end of the first year. We will pay the difference to $10,000. Is this exciting enough? Yes. Do you need more surprises? Yes. Yeah? Okay. It's not all. Here we come. And this is exclusive for Qatar. This is exclusive for BlackBerry 10 Jam Qatar, and exclusive for you. On top of the 10K reason, 10K challenge for the global BlackBerry 10 apps, we are here now announcing and launching a competition for you. Say, we will start the competition. From tomorrow, you can submit your app on BlackBerry 10, a native app based on the languages that my colleagues will share with you, and make it look and feel local. We will select the top 3, and we will distribute the prize of $10,000 for each. Right? So on top of the other $10,000, there's another $10,000 for the top 3 applications if they go through the process. I'll let Lua later on give you more details about this. So it's all about dollars, and we're here committed to make it a revenue generator for you. Is it good to start with? Great. I'll stop here. I think this is enough. I just wanted to give you an overview about the BlackBerry 10, the platform, and what surprises are waiting for you throughout the day. I really promise a very productive day. I'll hand you over now to my colleague Lua, who will tell you a little bit more about our application story in the Middle East, and then to my colleague Michael Mifleh, who will give you an exclusive BlackBerry 10 demo. Yeah? Thank you.